The Devil's Altar perches on a hill overlooking the town of Diekirch. Its distinctive arch shape was reconstructed in 1892, although its origins remain steeped in mystery. Despite its name, the present structure does not look like a typical Neolithic dolmen. In 2004, excavations conducted by the National Museum of History (MNHA) yielded no evidence of megalithic construction. The discovery of human bones during the restoration in 1892 confirmed the existence of a prehistoric burial ground. Some speculate that the modern archway incorporates stones from a prehistoric tomb. In 2004, archaeologists found human bones, collected more than a century earlier, in a reserve of the Natural History Museum, which were immediately examined using the latest scientific methods. It turned out to be the remains of a child and the skeleton of an undetermined adult. It is interesting to note that the child lived between 4250 and 4040 BC, the adult between 3020 and 2880 BC. At the Devil's Altar, therefore, two Neolithic people were buried in exactly the same place, about 1,000 years apart. The enigmatic past of the Devil's Altar continues to intrigue and seduce.